Hello, I'm Hannah Wright with Lilla Rose Hair Accessories, and I'm just coming on just to show you a few of our things that are on sale. I just grabbed a few random items in my inventory and just checked the price. So just for um, entertainment, I guess. Anyway, so the first thing I picked up, I just got these in a few days ago. These are our new colored hair mascaras. We have regular colors, 12 other shades like what you'd have normal hair colors. And now we've got these fun colors. So my camera shows them a little more blue than they really are. So this one's kind of a teal look. This one is um, Kelly green, really. And this one's almost a plum purple. And then this one is a little darker than bubblegum pink. So they're, let's see here. They're normally $12 a piece, and they're going for $10.50 a piece plus shipping and tax right now. I didn't price check the set though. I think you can get the set for discount as well. This one, I didn't even look this one up, but it's just sitting here because it used to be in my daughter's hair. This one's Aylin. It's one that came out last year, and I didn't originally buy it. I wasn't sure about it. This one is my go-to for so many things. It's like a denim blue color, and it matches so much. I like it a lot. This one's an extra small, so for me, I would wear it with part of my hair back. Let's see. I will be posting a hairstyle I did on my daughter yesterday, and it was an updo, and I used it as, well, it looked like an accent piece in it, but it really was doing a job because look how much it can actually hold. So an extra small works well for thinner hair for ponytails, and for my thicker hair it works well just to pull back a section, or if I braid my hair on the side, that gives it more to hold on to, and I can wear it on the side. If I wrap my hair, wrap it in a ponytail, I can wear it through the wrap and then through the hair on along my scalp, and it can secure a whole ponytail, and I don't have to wear an elastic. I might show that later when I have more time. I'm just kind of rushing through stuff right now. So let's see here. We have sets that are discounted. So these are brand new. We had a flexi clip, and it is back again for December. Let's see here. I gotta find the other item that comes with it. So it says save 40% on sets, and I only picked up the smallest version. So it comes with this flexi flip that can be worn in multiple hairstyles. So put those down so you can tell what I'm doing here. So with the curve away from the beaded 8, you can have enough room for hair my thickness. That's a ponytail size for me. And then if you want it to be tighter, like if I would wear it like I told you this one works for me, I would flip it so that the curve goes upward toward the beads. That holds tighter. It's even tight enough to give or work for like a barrette on the side for me. So it's secure. It never slides out. I never have them fall. So that's rainbow hematite beading with black nickel finish. So this is a size small, and it comes with these little Dasha bobby pins. And those are metallic as well. They look mostly blue, but you see it in different lighting, it changes. So according to the picture, it looks like 4 of these are going to come. So I'm not positive on that. It didn't say in the description. So that would be fun. And then it comes with this amplifying foam, which I used yesterday. And look at this. I had my hair French braided yesterday, and then I slept on that braid. And it wasn't braided up on top, but look at all the volume I have. My hair was slightly damp when I braided it, so of course it's standing on end too. But it gives me a fair amount of volume. I've lost hair on my crown, so I like having it standing, or not flat against the top of my head, but so the amplifying foam, see, Amplify Your Life is what I think it's called. So you save $28 with just the size small flexi flip. So that's an example of a set. I forgot to bring the whole set of these. There's 2 of them. These are small U-pins. I'll show you what a U-pin does real quick. I don't want to do full hairstyles today because I don't have much time. I have an early start in the morning. So when you're going to put a U-pin in, you take a little bit of hair on the bulky side of your twist or bun, and see the U shape is upside down. Then you'll flip it over and push it back into the bulkier part. Of course, it would work better if I was doing a bun, but that's how you do a U-pin. They come in large, they come in swerves, beaded swerves, small swerves. So we have a huge assortment of the U-pins. Anyway, so this one's Nedora, and you can get a set of bobby pins that have this same centerpiece, but it's on the end of it. This has little sparkly beads on it and the floral bead. So Nedora with the U-pins, the flexi clip. This particular one is an extra small. And bobby pins. I think that's all that's with that set. Again, it says 40% off on that. So let's see. Oops. Throwing stuff down. Have to get that later. So our orchid, this is 30% off on the website. Just almost a metallic look on the edges of that. It's my favorite of all the ones we've put out so far. That one's a size large, and then here's the mini. Our bobby pins, the decoration on them is the same size as this mini. So let's see here. Our flexi flips. All the older styles are 40% off. Here's a handful of them. I showed you the rainbow hematite. We have another one that doesn't have the black nickel with it. It's just all rainbow. Isn't that pretty? This one's called Stacy. We have this one that's got the amethyst beads. So flexi flips, I showed you, you reverse them if you want a tight fit, and then curve the pin away from the beads, and then you get this roomier fit. They have semi-precious beads and slightly heavier gauge wire, so they're sturdier than our regular flexi clips. See the difference in the pin? this is the flip pin and this is the flexi clip pin. There's much more of a curve in the flip. And then, of course, you've got your two sets of grooves, whereas this one has just one. So, to clip it on, in case you don't know how these work, I just set it on top and put this pin behind it and clip it in on this other side. And that's how it works in hair as well. Okay, here's a cat. This one's the cat's meow. I forgot to check this one, but I'll just show it to you anyway. Those beads are cat eye beads, so they change in the lighting. Very pretty pastels. Okay, I have the sailboat. Let's see here. Try to tell you ones that I actually wrote down. Rosie. Rosie is a horse. This one is 40% off. Those bobby pins that I showed you are called Jolie. Oh, that's a different one. Let's see. Sometimes it's hard to remember what all the names are, because we have so many options. Okay, here's Jolie. It's another metallic, but it's butterflies, not dragonflies. So they change in the lighting. You can tell all different shades. Sometimes they look purple, sometimes they look blue. So those are 30% off. Karis is a butterfly, and that one is 50% off. And the sailboat is also 50% off. John Evan is what that's called. So let's see here. The new Flexi Flips are only 10% off, but still it's nice to have our new items on sale too. Okay. Oh yeah, one more. This Dana. Is it right side up for you? Dana, for music lovers, got the crystal beads, the treble clef, and music notes. This one is 60% off. This one is popular in my vendor events, so I know people have. My website is www.lillarose.biz/hairbyhannah, and if you need help with any sizing for yourself or for gift giving, let me know and I can help you out with that. Or if you need me to place your order, I'm fine with doing that for you as well. So we can figure that out. Well, thanks for watching. Bye. Another item that is on sale that is very popular and going fast is the Flexi Sport. It comes in this cute little zipper pouch with instructions how the flip works. It works just like those beaded flips I showed. It's a plastic pin with a thermoplastic 8. It's got the wire inside, so it is flexible over hair. It's a grippy material that is very sturdy and stays where you put it. It doesn't pull your hair like a rubber band might. It just is very comfortable, lightweight clip to where it's your practical clip. So that is how you wear it in less hair, and then you flip it the other way to accommodate more hair depending on how thick your hair is. You might wear that in a twist, a ponytail, a bun. This is our medium size, and eventually we'll have larger and smaller ones than this. So the medium size covers 4 different sizes from the extra small all the way up. Let's see, this is the extra extra small, so mini, extra small, and then small and medium, which I have a medium right here. So, oh, I don't know if I can hold all these in one hand. So it covers all 4 of these sizes, and you change the size by how you flip the pin. So mini is all the way out to this end. It's so tight, just a small amount of hair. So anyway, this one is, let me see here, I wrote it's under $15, so I think they're 10% off for the new colors. And I saw just a little bit ago there are only 3 new colors left. So if you want one of these, you need to jump on or ask me to do it to place an order quickly and grab one while you're able. These work well for high ponytails. They, you know how when you run, your ponytail just gradually goes down and you have to fix it again? These stay where you put them. So let me know if you have any questions.